If you're an entrepreneur with ADHD and you're trying to hit your first 6 figures or 7 figures, I definitely recommend that you invest in a support team. I just finished the slides and the content for the course that I'm running this week 24 hours before it starts. Like, if I didn't have a support team, my students tomorrow would just be looking at me, speaking to them, saying, so this is how you're going to be making some monies. This will just be me talk ahead. But now we have slides, we have workbooks, we have templates, all because of my support team, thank goodness. And my first business actually failed because of my ADHD. I didn't properly manage communications and client deliverables. So I started to invest in support moving forward. And now with this business, this practice, I was able to scale to 7 figures because I had support. And what's funny enough, someone was upset because I don't answer my DMs directly. I have a customer service team and a social media manager that redirects them to customer service. And they felt so entitled to me answering DMs, even though I would drop the ball, that they created a troll account to question if I and my clients have ADHD. When the whole reason why I don't answer my DMs is because I have ADHD. If I didn't, I would save so much more money. Like, you think I want this? I was diagnosed when I was in high school. I've dealt with this my entire life. I've failed careers, I failed businesses because of ADHD. And so hypnotherapy is what helped me manage it. And my practice is for entrepreneurs with ADHD, financial trauma, internalized oppression, and ancestral trauma. And I use 4 different types of hypnotherapy methods to effectively help shift those issues. And that's all I focus on. So it's just so strange to them that they're questioning that when my entire practice and my life is built on this fact. But anyway, if you're someone that is questioning whether you should hire someone, do it.